4, 5!
Yay! Ezra's got 5 fingers on one hand.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, he's pooping.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9, 10? Say, love you, Ezra. Did he just chin him? Oh, there you go. Gentle. Oopsie.
Oops.
Is it in? Oh, good job. Can you tell him the story of No David?
No, David.
Say, David's mommy always said no, David. Say, come back here, David. Can you tell him about the 5 little monkeys? Without jumping. No jumping, though. Oh, okay.